How does the hay baler work? Ah, it's hay for the cattle. Oh, the cows are being picky about the hay.
No.
What do they want? Whoa! A hay baler? Let's see how the hay is baled. Looks quite professional. Sensation. Oh, the hay is cut into small and What's going on with the cows? Mario, be careful!
I think we need a hay baler.
Whoa!
Go cut the hay.
The grass is growing tall and thick. Whenever the hay color grows, the grass peaks out.
You come and transport the hay.
Okay.
Go.
The hay baler starts working. Now, there's no worry about tall grass or wind blowing it away. Super power drill.
Spider-Man, go get the seeds. Small matter.
I'll get the seeds. Here you go.
Nearby, a thunderstorm is brewing. A train is approaching. Large boulders fall onto the railway track. Be careful! Everything is in chaos.
Brothers, I need help.
Okay.
The train track sets off. The crane truck starts, beginning the rescue operation for the train. Okay, here we go. A peculiar machine is placed near the large boulders. Ah, it's a rock drilling machine. Oh, the drill needs a water pipe.
I need a new water pipe.
Wait.
The new part is laid out. Perfect fit. Whoa, whoa! Restoring the road for the train.
오케이. 체크해요.
Wow, hello
Now, Spider-Man can continue his work.
there.
The troublesome neighbor. You are really useless. It's all the time. Why do we have to eat as chicken thighs? I'm so good at Mario. Fed up with this poverty scene. Luigi is probably feeling uncomfortable, jealous. Luigi is thinking of harming Mario. Luigi rolls a gas canister to the water area near Mario's house. That night, Mario is still sound asleep. Luigi pouring gasoline. Throwing trash as well. Luigi, don't let things go too far. But by watering the garden. The fruit trees he just watered are all withered. Mario begins to pick up trash from under the pond. The pond is free of trash. But the water is still polluted.
Well, handle the pond for me. Okay, I'm on my way.
What?
Now, let's see how the water treatment team deals with the polluted pond. Dirty water in the pond is sucked into the trough. Whoa, whoa! Next, they probably discharge clean water into the pond. Wow, the water pond is now clean again.
Wow!
You can even do a small task. It's really annoying. I wouldn't have to suffer. Oh, be careful.
A few minutes later.
Sorry. I'll help you plant fruits and... Oh, sorry. The gift from Alien. Unidentified flying object is approaching Earth. Is there a malfunction?
Oh my gosh!
Hey, Luigi, come help me.
오케이.
Can Luigi pull that strange object? It's really difficult. Check. Oh no, it's not working. Mario can control.
Hey, hey, hey. Check it, check it.
I need to love every planet.
Let me fix it for you.
Can Mario fix the flying saucer for the alien? Thank you so much. Yeah, Mario did it. Here's a gift for you, Mario. Let's see how the alien's gift is used. Oh, to cultivate the soil. It's really useful.
Wow!
A new crop of fruits is planted.
Several months later.
Mario and the rescue of Paw Patrol. Where is Bowser going? Plays ball picking with Paw Patrol dog. Does Paw Patrol want to go for a walk? Bowser has some intentions.
Oh my gosh!
The dog has been taken away by Bowser. What should you do?
Okay, hurry up on the car.
Help me chase after the car.
Hey, stop!
Stop quickly.
In the area where the train passes by.
It's too far away.
Hey, hey.
The train is moving at a high speed. Will everything be okay? Too dangerous!
Catch me if you can.
Indeed, in bad luck, there's good luck. Mario caught up with Bowser and gave Bowser a sky-high kick.
No.
This is the result of the collision just now. Fortunately, this guy is fine.
Hey, hey, hey.
Mario needs to help the train.
Hello. I need a train barrier. Do you have one?
Whatever you need, I have.
Thank you. I'm going.
This barrier. This signal. The concrete mixer enters. Concrete is poured into the Just Dog hose. Next is the barrier system. Is this safe enough? The train
Oh, it's super safe.
continues its journey.
Thank you very much.